Audio recording of sounds on Mars. This recording was made by the SuperCam instrument on NASA's Perseverance Mars rover on Feb. 2021. Just about 18 hours after landing on the mission's first Sol or Martian day. The rover's mast, holding the microphone, was still stowed on Perseverance's deck, and so the sound is muffled, a little like the sound one hears listening to a seashell or having a hand cupped over. The ear. Just a little wind can be heard. Let's hear the sound.